Lori Torres's century-old home was in dire need of new windows.
We'd had them for a very long time. They were at least 25, if not 30 years old, and so they were old wood windows that were letting in the air, the cold air in the winter, the warm air in the summer, and starting to rot a little bit. Some were in worse shape than others, but we knew we needed new windows for our old house.
When it comes to items around your house, nothing's going to last forever. Windows are no different. So you can expect that you're going to replace your windows if you live in your house for a long period of time. And your return on investment can be a really good return in your cooling and heating bills throughout the year. But you need to live in your house for a period of time in order to realize those savings, which could be as much as 70%.
The style, shape, and type of a window will play a factor in its cost. A triple-paned, low-emissivity window will cost significantly more than a single-paned window, but it'll provide better energy efficiency and long-term energy savings.
The most important rating system that windows have today is the U factor. And U factor is a number that they put on each window that tells you just how efficient it is. And the lower the number, the more efficient that window is.
Common signs that your windows need to be replaced include wood rot and drafts.
The two most popular windows are still wood windows and vinyl windows. Now, typically when you use a wood window, it's a clad version, meaning it's a solid wood window, but it's covered on the outside with either vinyl or aluminum. That way you don't have the upkeep and you don't need to worry about them rotting and things like that. And then the other window is a vinyl window, which is 100% vinyl. It's inside and out, maintenance free, and should last you a lifetime.
Angie's List says it's important that windows are installed correctly. Doing it wrong can lead to many problems like air leakage and loss of energy efficiency. You could also void your warranty if the window is installed wrong.
When hiring a window contractor, you want to do your homework. Remember that this is an investment in your house that's going to last for a long period of time, so you want to know what kind of guarantees and warranties come with the windows.
If you're concerned about the price tag up front, look at replacing your windows one by one over time as money becomes available to you. Also, look into federal tax credits available for qualifying windows, which can help lower that upfront cost. Mike Hoey, ABC 10 and CW5 News Now.